G'day guys, today's tutorial is about the Conform tool in 3DsMax and how it can be applied in a urban scale. So I've just got some contour lines here that I'll quickly turn into a terrain plane. So we go to Compound Objects, Terrain, very straightforward. What we're going to do is we're going to create a path across this terrain, and then using the Conform tool, it will project that path onto this plane. Similar to the project tool in Rhino, but this comes out a bit cleaner. So if we just go to the top view here, and grab a line, let's just create a random path. You can do it however you like. Let's put a few bends in it, make it a bit interesting. Just take it off the edge there. Sweet. Oh, whoops. There. Alright. So let's just make sure that line, we'll pull it above the terrain, just so you can see it in the view. So what we want to do firstly is give this line a width. So we go to the modifier, go to the line, and we click spline. So we go all the way to the bottom of this geometry, open up that, all the way to the bottom of that, and we find outline. So with outline, as you can see, it just creates an outline of the shape. So let's do a 5 meter wide path. Whoops, it's done it twice. There we go. And then what we want to do is make a solid out of that. So we go to Modifier, Edit Poly. And now you can see in this view, we have this solid path. Now, what we could do is just put this path onto the, with the Conform Modifier and put it on, but it will be quite rigid. So what we want to do is actually add another modifier, and that's the subdivide. As you can see here, it's using triangular polys to divide up the surface, but it's not as many as we want, and it's not as accurate as we want. So let's just make this 5 meters. As you can see there, a few more. In fact, we can probably go a bit lower. Let's make it 2. So this will be, now when we project it onto the surface, it will be quite accurate. So now we select that again, go to modifiers again and go Conform. And under target, we pick object and we select the terrain. As you can see now, in this side view even, it's quite accurate. You can see it is following the contours of that terrain. Now if we just also add shell modifier, it'll create some thickness to that. So now we have a path that conforms to the terrain. Thanks.